Alright, we're here at gotomath.com. Click on the calculus button and let's go down to the mean value theorem. This would be the mean value theorem for integrals. And let's look at this problem right here. Alright, so it says find the value of c. So we have some equation here and they're asking us to find c. Okay, pretty simple. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and write this down. F of x is equal to 8x. We're on the closed interval from 2 to 19. Alright, so bring up the whiteboard. Maybe. There it is. I got it. So this was the equation here that we want to fill out and then solve for c. We have f of c. Now, of course, this is the mean value theorem. Means there's a theorem behind all this, right? The theorem, as long as f is continuous on the closed interval AB, so here's a, b, the closed interval, and we have some function f of x on the closed interval AB, it guarantees that there's a c in this interval such that you see this. Okay, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Okay, so let's just go ahead. Actually, I need to state what f of x is. Why don't I just rewrite this right here? So f of x is equal to 8x, and we need to go ahead and I'll just write the interval right here, 2 to 19. Okay. Alright, so we'll go ahead and fill out everything here. So a is 2, b is 19, f of x is 8x, and then we have our dx, and then of course f of c, we're plugging c in right here for x, so we end up with 8c, and then we have b minus a, which is 19 minus 2. Alright, so you should know how to do this part here, no problem. So this becomes 8x, add 1 to the exponent, put the exponent down below, going from 2 to 19, and then you know what, let's see, what do we got here, 17, and then we got 17 times 8, can we do that in our head? I don't know. 56, and that's 13, right? 136, I hope. Yeah. Okay, so 2 goes into 8 4 times, and then we're going to plug in our upper bound here, 19, and so that's going to end up being 4 times 19 squared. Just go ahead and divide the 2 into the 8 there, give us the 4, minus, this is a fundamental theorem part, and then 4 2 squared is equal to 130, whoa, forgot the 3 there, 6, and then of course we just divide by c. Alright, so multiply both sides by 1 over 36, 136, and then plug that into the calculator and see what happens. So 4 times 19 squared minus 16, and then divide that by 136, and I think we should be getting actually an exact value for this, exact value. So I end up with c is equal to, I gotta turn on the light here so I can see what's going on, 21 over 2 it looks like. 21 over 2. And that agrees with the script. So there you go. Alright. It's pretty simple. We just followed the rule here. If they start asking for the mean value theorem for integrals, find c, this is how you do it. Alright. Pretty easy stuff. I think I get into some details on some of these other problems. What's going on. We just kind of run through the mechanics on this. Alright, we're over here at gotomath.com. Check it out. We're going to try to make things easy for you. Alright. See you later.